Hello everyone, my name is Rob Ford and welcome to the Ford Homestead. So I had to come up north for the weekend. Actually, I took a long weekend. I took tomorrow night off because I work night shift, so I took it off. So I have another full day because I got a lot of cleaning to do. I came up to do some spring cleaning and I was going to cut the grass, but I don't know about the grass. The bugs are really, really bad. Mosquitoes are atrocious, so I could do have a net, so I could put the net on and get out there and just maybe cut the front grass and the hill because the hill can grow big. So I want to cut that grass back there for sure. So we'll see what happens. But I got a lot of spring cleaning to do, a lot of cleaning. So I got a line on the lawnmower from Uncle Harry. He's got a couple of them that he's willing to separate. So I'm gonna talk to him about one and go and see it and pick one up. I do have one, but it was up here when I got up here, and it's just hard to run. I got a buddy of mine come up and fixed it, but it still has a hard time. I got to boost it every single time, and everything's loose on it, and it's garbage really. Something I can just ride around on. That's about it. So yeah, so shout out to Uncle Harry, and we'll talk to him when I get back, and hopefully we can get it up here in June when it's nice and hot. I'm hoping. Okay, so we'll see you a little bit later on, and I'm not going to show you my cleaning, but I'll go for another tour, walk around, check the place out. Okay, talk to you soon. Well, I'm going to get a few things done outside. Need to do some cleanup. A lot of bugs. Clean that out. Pick some of them up later. Always something. Lucky I got a lot of spare parts, so we'll fix that up. It's always something. There you go. Done. crashing down. Should be an easy pick up, but I mean, come on. Pain. That's heavy winds we're having for sure. Okay, wow. I just heard a big bang. Big crash. I'm ready to go check it out. Yeah, I heard it. Something came down. Yep. Ooh. I got lucky. I got kind of lucky. Yeah, that would have did some damage for sure. Wow. That's a solid tree, man. That's not going anywhere. Wow. That's from all the high winds. Dangerous. I gotta cut some stuff down. I don't want to, but the road's right there. So the more I cut, the more people seeing. And that's what I don't want. Okay, I got lucky. There's more damage from the wind. Wow. Carnage. More cleanup. Got my dinner. Pork chops. Broccoli. Yummy. Well, there's my dinner. Pork chop, pizza sausage, and some broccoli with bacon bits and soy sauce. Yummy. Okay, well, I started to clean out the kitchen counter. I gotta put a backing on this thing. Back piece. Get it all cleaned. Was going to paint it, but not right now. So yeah. We'll get this finished. Get this wood cut up and just nail it in and done. Oops. Oops again. Well, the backing's on. All screwed tight. The problem now, if you can see, I still have a gap from the floor. So I gotta cover that. I gotta get that fixed. For sure. See, so the mice still can get up inside. So I'll just put this back, measure what I gotta measure, cut what I gotta cut, and screw them in. Well, I got the backing on, anyways. Goes throughout, so I can silicone the corners to make it even more tighter, but Another day, another job. Well, just got finished cleaning up the kitchen. Everything's done inside except for the windows now. So, kind of happy about that. Just waiting for my neighbor to show up. He's supposed to be coming up today and tomorrow. I got some netting for him. For his head and his body. And a jar of red pepper sauce that I made. Me and Frank made, my old neighbor. So yeah, I'm waiting for him to show up, and then we'll go from there. Here's my kitchen. Everything clean. I know what some of you are going to say. Well, you got the propane tank inside. Yeah, we're supposed to have another couple cabinets. Small ones like that. Like the big one there, the wooden cabinet. But they're gone, unfortunately. Yeah, so... Now my living room. Here's my view. When I'm standing up, obviously. I have to get into the chair. This is my bedroom. I don't like the back corner, but I need armoire. So I had a choice to make. Either cut the back grass or cut a tree down. Now if I cut a tree down, it would take me 5 minutes. You know, if I was eating, no problem, down. I could have walked away, it would have been done. Next time I come up, cut it up as a project to do. Or cut the back grass. Well, I decided to cut the back grass. Fool. Wrong decision. Well, good decision, but wrong decision. The grass was getting high, so the lawnmower kept stalling out on me, so if I left it another week or two, there was no way I could have cut it again. So, I did the right decision there, I think, by cutting it. But there's so many bite-eating bugs out there. Mosquitoes, black flies, horse flies, deer flies. They were all of them. They're all out there biting me. It got so bad I kept wiping my face. I kept knocking my glasses off. I pick them back up, put them in my pocket. finally I said that's enough. And I just powered through it. So yay, got her done. Yeah. So, but now I got to cut down trees. So more than one as the next week's project, and yeah. So we'll talk to you soon. Man, that's a lot of mosquitoes. Just waiting for me to come outside. Not now. So I've been working on this weekend. Look at the bugs. Okay, gotta go. Well, that concludes another weekend away. I didn't get the windows done, but I got a lot of things done that I wanted to get done, so I'm pretty happy about that. The bugs were just too bad to do much outside, so there's always another weekend to come up and do more stuff, more work. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notifications button. Well, I'm going to come and get you. Take care, everyone. Peace.